Hello everyone. Today's video is on unit-wise distribution of marks. Means each unit is for how many marks. Let's start with the first chapter, that is Principle of Management. First chapter, Principle of Management, is for 7 marks and with option this chapter will come for 12 marks. Second chapter is Function of Management. Total marks of Function of Management is 12 and marks with option is 15. Third, Entrepreneurship Development. This chapter is for 5 marks and marks with option is for 5. Fourth chapter, which is very important chapter with the board point of view, and it carries total 20 marks, means for fourth chapter 20 marks question will be there. Total 20 marks question will be there from fourth chapter, that is Business Services, and with option this chapter will come for 27 marks. Fifth, Emerging Modes of Business. This chapter carries 7 marks and with option it carries 10 marks. Sixth chapter, that is Social Responsibilities of Business Organization. This chapter carries 7 marks and with option it carries 10 marks. Seventh chapter, Consumer Protection. This chapter carries 7 marks and with option it carries 17 marks. Eighth chapter, Marketing. Again this chapter is very important chapter and this is a new topic in 12th standard. It carries 15 marks and with option it carries 20 marks. So these are all unit wise distribution of marks. By seeing this marks distribution, you can clearly identify that chapter number 2, 4 and 8 is a very important chapter because it carries higher marks, like Function of Management carries 12 marks. Fourth, Business Services carry 20 marks and Marketing chapter carries 15 marks. Okay, now we will see how your paper will come in board exam. See, your question number 1 will be objective type question in which 4 questions will be asked. It may be select the correct option and rewrite the sentences, or it may be the match the pairs, or give one word or phrase or term. Fourth, state true or false. Find the odd one out. Complete the sentences. Select the correct option from the bracket. Answer in one sentence. Means from A to I. Next is correct the underline word and rewrite the following sentences. And last one is arrange in proper order. Means from A to J. Any 4 questions will be asked for first question number 1, which carry total 20 marks. Second question will be explain the following terms or concept. It has total 4 questions. Out of 6 you have to attempt any 4. Each question carry 2 marks. Next is question number 3. In question number 3 you have to write study the following case or situation and express your opinion. It has total 3 questions. Out of 3 you have to attempt any 2. Each carry 3 marks. Next is question number 4. Distinguish between. In distinguish between you have total 4 questions. Out of 4 you have to attempt any 3. Each carry 4 marks. Question number 5 will be answer in brief. In answer in brief you have total 3 questions. Out of 3 you have to attempt any 2. each carry 4 marks. Next is justify the following statement. Again, in justification you have total 4 questions. Out of 4 you have to attempt any 2, each carry 4 marks. Question number 7 will be attempt the following. In attempt the following you have total 3 questions, and out of that 3 questions you have to attempt any 2 questions. Question number 8 will be answer the following, which is long answer, and in long answer you have to write any one answer out of 2. Each carry 1 question carry 8 marks. Clear all of you? This will be your question paper pattern for 12th board exam. Let's see it again. First question will be objective type question. From the given options, any 4 questions will be asked for objective type question. Second question will be explain the following terms or concept, which is for 8 marks. Third question will be study the following case or situation and express your opinion. This question is for 6 marks. Question number 4 will be distinguish between. This question will be asked for 12 marks. Question number 5 will be answer in brief, and this question will be asked for 8 marks. Sixth is justify the following statement. This is for 8 marks. Attempt the following question. This will be asked for 10 marks. And last question, that is answer the following questions. This will be asked for 8 marks. So this is a question paper pattern for board exams. So you have total 3 type of question. One is objectives, second is short answers, and third is long answers. Okay, thank you.